Hey everybody, my name is Oriel from Oak Customs, and today we're going to do composition notebooks, which is the craze right now because it is back to school season. Some kids have started school and others are getting ready to. Mine don't start until September, and it is officially August 1st because it is 1:30 in the morning. So we are starting this month off right. But thank you so much for clicking on my video, and we're gonna start with designing in Canva today. So we are going to be doing a very quick tutorial on how to design your notebook cover for your composition books. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is you're going to come over to your internet, whichever one you use, and you're going to put in www.canva.com, and then you're going to go to custom size. Okay, so when you first come in here, most of the time it's already on pixels. So do not leave it on pixels. Go ahead and put it on inches real quick. Mine is already set because I've just done this design. So 7 by 10 is the last custom size that I use, and you're gonna hit create new design, and it's gonna open you up on a brand new page. Okay, sorry about that. My allergies are out of control. So unfortunately, I have done this tutorial twice already tonight because I was like, I'm determined to get a video up because I'm not procrastinating anymore. It's time to do it. Just do it. So I'm going to walk you through how to do a very simple composition notebook. Let me start with this. So I have uploads already. I'm going to do the simplest of simple composition book with you. So if you have any photos or things like that that you like, please feel free to get them now. Okay, so we're just scrolling down, and here it is. This is the design that I like right here. Okay, it's so cute. I love it. So very simple. We are going to hit right here. Once you click, if you click right here, so this whole white border right here, as you can see, there has a purple border around it, or blue, depends on what color your screen is. To me, it's like a purple color. But that's the whole screen. But if you click right here, now you're clicking on the image. You can see up top here, it shows you the colors and everything. But you're going to click where these three dots are, and you're going to scroll down and hit Set Image as Background. Very nice. I love this image. So freaking cute. Whoever created this, genius. Mwah. Okay, so now we're going to go over to elements. And I'm going to act like I never put this in. When you go to elements, you're going to type in composition notebook. You're going to just type the whole thing out right here, composition notebooks. Okay, and then you'll come up with some elements right here. There's lots of different elements here and lots of different things you can use. I tend to love this one right here. So we're going to drag it. As you see, when you click on it, it automatically puts it right here. I'm going to delete one since now there's two. And you're going to come here and you're going to drag it from the corner. Don't, a lot of people do this sometimes, and this one's not seeming to do that, which is good. But you don't want to drag from the sides unless you're actually trying to close it up. But you drag it from the corner and then you move it over. You drag it from the corner. Sorry, this new pointer. Oof, drag it from the corner. Okay, that's how you shrink it up and shrink it down. Shrink it up, shrink it down. Okay, so we're going to put this like right here. I think this is a really good spot for it since the image is so big. We're going to do like that. Okay, and then you would think that's good enough. Why not? We can use that. So this will be the front, right? We're going to duplicate it. We're just going to take this and delete this for the back. Okay, so I'm just going to put back and front. And this is for my own personal preference because I'm getting ready. I'm just naming it. Okay. And actually, I'm just this lazy. I don't feel like typing again. So I'm going to duplicate this page. Even though I still have to type, it's a lot less. Okay. And I'm going to delete that page now. Okay, so now this is the back. All I have to do, click on it and hit that delete button. And that's the back of it. So now what we're going to do is, with this one, since it's a graphic, we have the ability to change the colors. So the white, as you can see, is the background color of it. Then we have the black and the black. So sometimes when you see it like this, you don't know what color is for what. So we're going to put that hot pink. So this middle one is for the composition book and the 3 lines. Okay, so now this black one, let's see what that one, that we're going to change that color. I'm kind of liking that, but I think this purple goes a little bit better. I'm loving the way this looks, but let's play with it some more. Okay, let's make, instead of it being white, let's do it black. How about that? And then let's turn this hot pink too. How does that look? That looks really good to me. There's so many ways that you can do this. I'm really liking this, because then guess what we're getting ready to do now? Okay, we're going to add the name to it. So if you know who you're doing the book for, it's for your kid, cool. It's for your niece, your nephew, whoever. So we're going to go there and add a text. The text box appears here. So we are going to put, I'm going to put Valerie. Okay, and right now it's in black. And if you can see that, do you see that little white dot right there? You're going to click on that and drag it out to make it bigger. Same thing, okay? So now I'm just going to click on it again, and I'm going to change that color. So you click on this, and then right here, where the A is with the colors underneath it, click on it, and we're going to change that color, because it remembers the colors that we're using for this document, okay? So let me do that again. Okay. Let's drag her down here. Okay. Now, I can choose to leave it this way or not. Make it smaller. But I don't like the way the line is going through it. So what am I going to do? I'm going to click back on the name. I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to change the color. Let's try it in the purple. Let's see how that looks. I think it looks too dark. That's my opinion, though, right? So let's go back in. We're going to click on the name. Like I said, it's just, you got to play with it. I like it like that. Okay? So, but some people won't like the extra dark background. So, that's my opinion. I like it like this. I would actually leave it like this. But for those of you who do not, that's okay. And then also there's another thing that changes the complete look too. It is the font. You can bold it out to make it stand out even more. Or you can come over here, and as long as this box is clicked, you see them 4 corners, you come up here, click on this, and it gives you a list of fonts that drop down on this side. So a lot of time, if you just type in, this is giving me the recent ones, like you type in school, you'll get a list of fonts that's like school or handwritten and things like that. I like some of them, like this is really cute for really young kids, finger paint. You can even go with a script. So let's type in script and see what shows up. Some of them will have script in the title, some of them won't. I like that one. Oh, yeah, this one's speaking to me. So you play around with it and choose your font. I'm really liking this. This is a bolder font, and to me, it's just speaking. So I really like this design. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm also going to just duplicate this, and for those who missed that, right here is a duplicate button. So you have all these buttons up here. This one is your duplicate button, and you just click like that, and it will duplicate it. And then also, I don't need another page of it, so we're going to hit this back arrow right here. So if you see where my pointer is, it's right here. We're going to hit that back arrow because I didn't need that. So now we're going to come here, make sure it's back on a composition book. I'm going to make this back to the white background. Oh no, what happened to the words? Okay, but no. So we did that. now what we're going to do is we're going to go in and change this, right? Now remember, the font is white, so now we have to go in and change the color. Just, you can see how the 4 boxes are showing, okay? The 4 dots are showing for that. So now I'm going to go in and make the name pink, okay? So we can do it like that, which I think looks really good. I'm just liking it. It's just the whole Lilo Stitch vibe for me. You can even go back in and say you like the way it looked with the purple. You can add that purple back to the lines even. You can say, you know what? I want that purple since the name is going to be pink. You can make it a lighter or a brighter purple. I'm liking the brighter purple personally because to me it really goes with the holographic colors that's in here. And this to me really pops. It looks fun. So I don't know which one's my favorite. I really don't know. Because this one is really fun and light and popping since the other colors are more dark. So I think I will end up going with this one. And then maybe this one for the spiral. I don't know. So those are your choices. And if you don't know how to save it, you could go right on in and save it. You can print it in almost any printing software that you use, whether it's Microsoft Word, Silhouette, Adobe. So let me just show you how you save it. So we're going to use page 2 and 3. So this one will be considered our front. This one is our back. So you're going to go to download. Let's say you only want to do the front cover for whatever reason. I'm just making this up. You're going to hit download, and then you're going to hit this drop down button right here. And then it's going to say current page. And then you're going to hit done. So once you hit this, it's only going to save the page that you were on, which is currently page 3, and then you would just save it, okay? So I'm going to hit cancel on that, and then if you wanted to, you save the front and back. You're going to go to download, okay? Let's just say we're going to save all 3 pages because you're not sure which front you're going to go with all 3 of them, okay? So you're going to go all pages. You're going to go done. And what it's going to do is going to make it into a file folder, and you just have to go to your folder and extract it. So you save it like you save any other file on your computer, and you extract it, okay? But we're not going to do that. Then let's say you're not really sure which software you want to print it out in. That's okay. Guess what? You can print directly from Canva without having to upload it here and upload it there. So you could just hit share, hit that download button again, but this time you're going to save it. You're going to come up here to file type, and you're going to do PDF print. And when you do PDF print and then you hit download, you'll see that it's going to open up here. Ta-da! Okay, so now you have all 3 of the pages right there. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit print. And as you can see, when you go to hit print, it's not going to print a full 8 by 11 page unless you hit fit to page width or you scale it up more. And this is because, remember, we are only doing it as a 7 by 10 inches because that's the size that you're going to need for your composition book. So, and when you print it, just print it according to your printer settings, like to get the color that you would like to get. So this right here is how you would just print it if you don't want to go, oh, I don't want to look for this software and that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you if you stayed and watched it till the end. Thank you so, so much. Again, my name is Oriel with O Customs, and like I said, I hope you found this tutorial helpful.